Hi guys, we're live from New Delhi. This is Beyond World is One News, and today we are at an art exhibition in New Delhi. Thank you, Pentoton. This is an art exhibition curated by Shri Art Gallery in New Delhi. One of the artsy places in New Delhi. It's the India Habitat Center, and we are live from the exhibition. And I just want to pan my camera and show you the people in attendance. It's a really happening art show. About the paintings is the curator. Hello, Mr.
Hi.
Jitendra Padam Jain.
Good evening.
Hi. So tell our viewers about the art show and its curation.
On this show, basically, this show based on a life of the artist, the daily life. I mean, how she feels the experience on the art world. This show based on her daily life and their style, their mediums. This show we planned in last 6 months, and which is on this exhibition we have more than 40 artworks, inclusive all kind of mediums we worked with. I am the founder of Gallery Shri Arts, which is based in Gurgaon, and we've been working in the art world since 2003. And we must have done more than 150 art exhibitions. This is one of our premier art exhibition. My main aim to promote only youngsters. Reason behind the young painters, they struggle a lot to get their name into the art world. On this exhibition, the artist called Kirandeep Kaur Matharu. She's based from Ludhiana, and she's been working with me with my gallery called Gallery Shri Arts. It's been now 4 years, and this is her 7th art exhibition with Gallery Shri Arts.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you so much.
And I'd like to we were looking at this artwork, this particular artwork. It has been remade from waste pieces of canvas, and paintings have been done on it. Here the artist is trying to show her interpretation of familial relationships in the wildlife. So you see these strips of canvases stuck to the on top of the canvas, and it has painting on that as well. Look at that. Hi viewers who have joined us now. We are at an art show about the life of the artist who has painted these beautiful pieces on the canvas. Thank you, G. Solapurkar. Thank you for the comment. We'll take you shortly to the artist who has painted this. So here we have some exhibits of flowers. And here is the artist who's painted. Hello ma'am. Hello. Kirandeep, tell us about your journey as an artist. When did you decide to become an artist?
It was in my childhood. It was only in my childhood, and I used to paint so many things, still life, flowers and landscapes also. Then I did my BA Fine Arts in Fine Arts, and then I started doing it professionally. And I used to take classes also. Then,
So do you teach?
yeah,
Do you teach painting to students?
yes, I do.
So what's more difficult, being an artist or teaching how to be an artist?
It's how to be an artist, actually. Teaching is still easy, but it's little difficult for the kids, little kids. It's difficult for them to teach. It's interesting also. You have fun also.
So I was showing our viewers the exhibits that we have over here, and they are flowers and things we see in our daily life, but we don't pay too much attention to them. So, what was the thought behind painting this way?
Okay, actually I love flowers. These are all from my garden. They are seasonal flowers and I clipped them. Then later on I painted them. They are so lively. They make you feel happy. They are so vibrant. They are full of life. When you see them closely, they are full of life. So I love to paint.
Look at the art for me. See the entire canvas. Hi viewers, thanks for joining. If you have any questions or comments, do share with us. We'll ask the artist your questions. So ma'am, tell us about the thoughts behind this particular painting.
It's the daily routine, daily cycle of a normal human being. They struggle for their life, they do everything. This juggler is like juggling for his life, for his stomach, how to feed his family and all that stuff. These are the hands looking for food. So with time they keep on changing, sometimes it's smooth, sometimes it's little very hard work. It was that.
And does the author not have the same kind of thought behind it? We just let our viewers look at it.
It's about the life, how it changes. Normal, a child grows, like is born, so new, so fresh, and slowly, like he fades, like and grew up older and older, then and he fades up. So it's I like made up in this way, in a book shape. Like it's a new book, and slowly it gets like it turns, pages are turned. Then the birds, they become birds, they fly, then these feathers, then the cycle again. It comes again.
Can you also explain what are those circles?
These are the life cycle, like this. It starts from here and goes and fades away, and then it again comes to the back to the same bindu, same point.
Life is full circle.
Yeah, it's kind of circle.
Hi viewers, we are live at the art show by Kirandeep Manhatu in New Delhi. Kirandeep also tells us that she loves painting still art and things that are not very exciting to other people. She finds excitement in these. We'll show you a few such still life objects she has painted.
Girl from Germany. She stayed with us for 8 months. She's from Vaiyaku. So it's a kind of. Can we have a break?
So she's playing violin.
Yeah, we were just having fun and I wanted to teach her with so many in so many shapes. So she said, "Do you have violin or that?" I said, "Yes, we have." So she started playing and she was like really enjoying in that. She really had like fun with that.
So how was your cultural exchange with her?
It was very nice experience. It was really nice experience. She was quite very much adopted with this. Like she had no difficulty in relating with our food or with our culture. She accepted it so nicely. So,
can you just that's one of her works with the exchange student, and this is another one here.
yeah, this is the number.
So it kind of speaks like she really likes music.
Yeah.
Viewers, what do you think?
She used to do the
how do you interpret the painting? And you have also put the
life
swirly-
cycle.
life cycle.
same, the life cycle in that. It's a kind of trance when you do something and you like totally into it in that the same thing and you go in a trance. It's some little movement when you're out of the world. You don't relate to the world. You're in your own world. So it was that kind of thing, trance.
Hi guys, thanks for joining us. We are live from Beyond World is One News, and today we are at an art show in New Delhi in the India Habitat Center, showcasing art here curated by Sri Arts Gallery for Kirandeep Mathara. And we let viewers look at this particular. Please send us your comments on what you feel or your interpretation of art, because ultimately art is an interpretation of the one who sees it, perceives it. Thank you for the comments. So ma'am, tell us more about
This is a painting when I was into chanting. So I was so much inspired with that. I was so much in touch with that thing in those days. So I painted this. It's a kind of blessing. When you have faith in God, strong faith in God, like God will come from anywhere and He will bless you. So these stones are from like the heart shapes and all that stuff, but God will come from that and He will bless you.
what kind of material have you used in this particular painting?
It's some kind of, I have made it all by myself. There's some mixture of Fevicol and some China powders and a few things more in that. So I have done with that. And I scrapped that. It's a really tough thing, it was really tough scrapping it and doing that. Coloring was okay, but making it in the stone shape, it was a little hard.
Also, can you talk a bit about how different it is to paint or be an artist in India or being an artist outside India, like abroad? How difficult or different is it?
The thing is, actually material is not available. The material in abroad is more easily available. Here it's difficult. And I belong to Punjab, and there you can't find the more of the material. So when I came to Delhi, and that Sri Art Gallery, they introduced me here. So I find so many nice shops here. So I'm having lots of.
So could you give our viewers an interesting tip on where to find the painting materials from? If they are painting and they don't know where to look for it, what's your joint to go to? Where do you get your painting materials from?
I know the shop. I don't remember a bit now.
So until the
It's
time.
something with the S.
Oh, sure.
कौन सी shop है?
So viewers, we'll make you look at some other paintings. Another one of the artist's interpretation of the extremes. The one on the left. She paints a lot of Buddha. She paints a lot of Buddhas, and we'd also think you'd comment.
Hi, this is Ankush.
Hi, so can you tell us a little bit about the art exhibition and your interpretation of the artist's work?
Yeah, I love seeing art exhibitions because it is just like in meditation. Whenever you go out to see, it doesn't matter if you go out to see the movies and all. You should be going to see all the exhibition, the art exhibition and dance forms also, because nowadays they are just like about to end. So we should be encourage them, because after seeing Kirandeep show, I can see the lots of I can see the cow, the street guy, the tiger preservation,
and Buddhas also.
So do you have international artists coming to Sri Art Gallery?
Yeah, because being a co-curator of Gallery Sri Arts, yes, we have international artists coming from, just like the artists from France, and we have
Do
artists
you have
from
any artists from South Asian countries? South Asian?
Bangladesh. We have artists because they have participated in our exhibition.
Artists from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
And is there any particular difference in the artist who paints his life experience from Bangladesh and one who paints from India?
No, I don't think so because art can never bound anyone, and there is not any limitations to an artist being in any of the Asian countries.
One of our viewers is asking us, do you have a Pakistani artist who has collaborated with you?
I can't say we have, but yeah, we will love to get associated with Pakistani art.
So any of our viewers who are into art or are budding artists, do get in touch with the Sri Art Gallery, and anyone from South Asia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, do get in touch.
Yeah, if they want to get in touch, or we will love to get in touch with them also, and if they would want to touch with us, we have a FB page, we have a site also, so they can get in touch with us from that.
Thank you so much for speaking with us.
Thank you.
And viewers, we leave you with these images. Thank you so much. No, sorry, we can't speak Italian. We speak English. Hi, we have another viewer here. Hi ma'am, what's your name?
My name's Suzanne.
Suzanne. So tell us a bit about your interpretation of the artwork here and what brings you here today.
Well, I have some mutual friends of the artist, and they brought me here because I'm also interested in art and music and stuff.
So say hi to our audience. We are live
Hey,
at New Delhi, and this is Suzanne. Suzanne, where are you from?
yeah, I'm from Denmark.
Suzanne is from Denmark. So any of our viewers joining us from Denmark, do say hi to Suzanne. Suzanne, what is your view about artists in India? And what are the differences from artists in Denmark?
Well, I think they use a lot of strong colors, which is really powerful. The food is really good. It's so beautiful and so many details. And I really especially like the thing with the tigers.
Which one did you like? Can you show our viewers?
Yeah. This one, because they're endangered, right? So this is a very important issue, and I like that she's actually bringing it to people's attention. They're almost extinct now, and that's really sad.
But the population of tigers is growing in India.
Well, let's hope that it stays that way, right? I know they're dangerous, but they're still...
But they are still endangered.
Yeah.
And you think that this painting highlights the issue of endangered species?
This is really powerful, I think. It speaks for itself.
Thank you so much, Suzanne.
you're welcome.
Thank you for joining us. And we leave our viewers with these images. Thank you for being a lovely audience. And that's the artist.